In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access LinkedIn Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to get into LinkedIn's Campaign Manager so you can start setting up or reviewing your advertising campaigns without any confusion. Let's begin with the most direct route. Open your web browser and search for LinkedIn Ads. In the results, look for the official LinkedIn link that mentions Ads or Campaign Manager. It should point to a LinkedIn.com page. Click that result to go straight to the ads area. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your credentials and complete any verification that appears. Once you're in, you'll be taken to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. This is the central dashboard where you can create a new campaign, view performance, and manage your accounts. If you see more than one ad account, use the account selector at the top to choose the correct one for your business. A quick tip here. Consider bookmarking this page so you can return directly to Campaign Manager in the future. Now, let's look at the navigation path starting from the standard LinkedIn homepage. Open your browser and search for LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn.com link to go to the site. Sign in using the method that's most convenient for you, whether that's through a connected provider like Google, Microsoft, or Apple, or by entering your email and password. After you land on your LinkedIn feed, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and find the For Business icon. Click it to open LinkedIn's Business Tools menu. In that menu, select Advertise. This route sends you directly into Campaign Manager, the same place we reached with the first method. Once Campaign Manager loads, you're ready to work. You can start a new campaign from the dashboard, review existing campaigns, adjust budgets, or check performance metrics. If you collaborate with a team or manage multiple brands, double-check the account name and associated company page near the top so you're making updates in the right workspace. If anything looks unfamiliar, use the account drop-down to switch to the correct one. To recap, you can access LinkedIn Ads Manager either by searching for LinkedIn Ads and signing in, or by signing into LinkedIn, opening the For Business menu, and choosing Advertise. Use whichever path is fastest for you, and keep that bookmark handy to save time next visit.